Brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Suey! Speed. Yo, Chad, why this game so fun, Chad? What's up, Dick? I have a question for you, alright? Stop laughing, alright? Are you serious right now, bro? I just want to be friends. That's all I want to be. I want to be friends.
Yes.
Okay, we friends now?
Hello, Susie. Hello. Hello, Zoe. Hello, everyone.
No! Is this you?
Let's talk about music. What music are you into? I like this. It's very grown up.
Shake, 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 now bounce, 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 now bounce that ass, bounce that. Let me ask you a question, all right? Who is better, Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi. Steve and George are going to play
Football! Suey! Cristiano Ronaldo! Suey! Ah, my head!
Here is the Speed best friend.
Hello. Hello, Susie. Hello. Let's play football.
Portugal versus Argentina! Ronaldo versus Messi!
We'll start.
Shut up! Shut up!
Messi, 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 encara 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 Messi, gol, 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 gol.
Argentina has scored a goal.
No!
The boys are winning.
It is half time.
Oh, my dress is a bit muddy.
Mummy Pig and George have found more things to watch.
Suey!
Very good, George. We put the clothes in here.
The washing machine is making the whole room shake.
Where's your
Cristiano Ronaldo!
dress?
I'm washing it.
What? Oh, no.
Let's go!
Look, Mummy.
A signed Ronaldo shirt!
Yes, but look what it's done to everything else.
Oh dear. Daddy Pig is home from work.
Hello, everyone.
Yo, big ass daddy, man.
Daddy Pig, we've got a bit of a problem.
Tell me later, Mummy Pig. I've got to get ready for
Football!
Now, where's my football shirt?
Here.
Don't be silly. That's one of Mummy's dresses.
No, Daddy. It's your football shirt.
What do you think, George?
George does not like Messi. Here are Daddy Pig's friends.
Moo!
Yo, big ass daddy.
Got an act to play.
He'll just be a moment.
I need a
Ronaldo
shirt.
But, Daddy, you have a
Ronaldo!
Just take off your jacket. See?
Fantastic.
Portugal, stand up! Stand up, Portugal!